Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Friday, January 8th. Let's take a look at our planner. Happy Friday. Our announcements for today, same. We only have our live meetings today for math and reading, so I'll see you at math time and reading time at 9 o'clock and 11 o'clock. Make sure come to me at 10 o'clock if you have any questions about anything. It's my open office hours as usual. Language arts today. I was super excited to have 100% success of everybody downloading their digital journal. So thank you for doing that. Make sure that you come to class today with the 3 items that we talked about yesterday. Make sure you have your Bud Not Buddy novel, your Wit and Wisdom workbook, and your digital response journal open up and ready to go. So we're going to start as we tried and attempted yesterday. We are going to start to our first lesson in module 1. So we will end tomorrow by doing some new vocabulary, notice and wonder chart, and then we're going to read chapter 1 together. So your actual homework will be to read chapter 2 and continue on with your notice and wonder chart. These 2 items up here we will do in class, but I just put them there just in case you forgot or you were falling behind and you need to make sure that you have to just to update that on your own. In math today, we are going to start a new lesson 323, and we're very close. Friday will be 324, and we'll do some closure and studying and take that chapter 3 test next week. So be prepared for that, have that in your head, knowing that you should be almost ready to go or that we're going to begin a new chapter. So make sure you have your 323 notes ready to go for our meeting at 9 o'clock, and then make sure that you turn in your 323 homework by the end of the day. In social studies, this is just a reminder that the daily work in social studies this week was assignment 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then, of course, we're going to add assignment 5 today. So make sure that you get that completed for social studies. We won't meet again until Tuesday of next week, so I will expect that you have Monday's assignment done as well, and then we'll meet on Tuesday, and so you'll have a total of like 6 assignments completed before our next meeting on Tuesday. And in science, there's no new homework, but we had some hefty homework this week in science, so we've given you a few days to work on each one. And you have the properties of matter, which was assigned on Tuesday, January 5th, and then the Wednesday homework on January 6th, which was in your Discovery Ed account, Concept 1.1 Math. So make sure you have both of those completed by the end of the week. And happy Friday once again, and we'll see you during math, or if I don't have you for math, I'll see you in reading today. Have a good one.